Have you ever wondered why it takes so long for Vivid Money to transfer your funds? You're not alone. Many Vivid Money users have expressed frustration over the seemingly endless wait times. In this video, we'll dive deep into the factors that influence transfer speeds and provide some tips to help you expedite the process. Vivid Money is a popular digital banking platform that offers a range of financial services, including transfers. While the platform is known for its user-friendly interface and convenient features, transfer delays can be a pain point for many users. So, let's explore why this happens and what can be done about it. Factors affecting transfer speeds. Transfer type. The type of transfer you're making can significantly impact the processing time. International transfers, for example, often involve multiple intermediaries and can take several days to complete. Domestic transfers, on the other hand, are generally faster but can still vary depending on the specific banks involved. Bank processing times. Even within the same country, different banks have varying processing speeds. Some banks may be more efficient than others, leading to quicker transfer times. Weekend and holiday effects. Transfers initiated on weekends or holidays may experience delays due to reduced bank operations. Technical issues. Occasionally, technical glitches or system outages can cause disruptions in the transfer process. Security checks. To ensure the safety of your funds, Vivid Money may implement security checks that can temporarily slow down transfers. Tips for faster transfers. Choose domestic transfers. Whenever possible, opt for domestic transfers to minimize processing times. Verify recipient details. Double-check the recipient's bank details to avoid errors that could delay the transfer. Avoid peak hours. If possible, schedule your transfers during off-peak hours to reduce congestion and expedite the process. Contact Vivid Money support. If you encounter significant delays or have concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Vivid Money's customer support team. They can provide assistance and may be able to resolve any issues. While transfer speeds can vary, understanding the factors that influence them can help you manage your expectations and potentially expedite the process. By choosing domestic transfers, verifying recipient details, and avoiding peak hours, you can increase your chances of a faster transaction. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.